In this video, I will show you step by step how you can change your country on Amazon just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, just open your Amazon account like this, okay? Go to your Amazon homepage, okay, like this, and click over here, okay? You have this option, and you should see over here, change country region, okay? Click on change country like this, and here you go. You will be directly in this page over here, as you can see, and click over here United States, for example, in this country, and you will find all countries here, okay? And choose which country you want to use, okay? So for example, let's use United Kingdom like this. Click on United Kingdom, then click over here on go to website, okay? And your country will be changed, okay, as you can see. So here you go, it's super easy. Let me show you, and here you go, your country will be changed to United Kingdom, okay? That's how you can change country on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.